I'm sure you've heard about universal analytics. Well, 2015 is the year to make the change. If you're around my age, you probably grew up playing video games like this. Full cabinet arcade games. But you better believe, as great as these were, we were really excited to get our hands on the latest and greatest. So as much as I love the asynchronous iteration of Google Analytics, here are 3 reasons why 2015 is the year you should make your upgrade. First, going to Universal means that you'll get access to all the great new features. When House of the Dead 2 went to the next-gen systems, we got this sweet new, more accurate gun. I can play on my couch whenever I want, and I don't have to plug quarters into a machine. Universal Analytics gives you access to all the great new tools, like content grouping, user ID uploads, dimension widening, and some of the demographic tools. And best yet, all of the new stuff will only be available on Universal. Second, one of the biggest problems that I see with higher education analytics setups is subdomain tracking. With asynchronous, you actually have to make a tiny little edit to the code in order to get things tracked correctly. If you move to Universal Analytics, you no longer need to make that edit to the code, so just by transitioning, you're going to have correct tracking information. And last, the game's not working. Does anyone know how to fix this? Anybody? I sure don't. After this year, Google has not promised to support earlier versions of Google Analytics. It's clearly time to move on up. This is a really good time to also take a look at your overall analytics strategy. I recommend that you go find all of your web properties and map them strategically. Then track them using a tool like Google Tag Manager so it's all in one place from an enterprise level. And of course, setting up audience-based goals in separate views. Have a great weekend.